on the summary, we can summarize these derivative of, this second one, we've said it, that what is here and what is here must be the same thing. Once they're the same thing, we just substitute for your what? For your t. Anywhere you see t, you put what? You put x there. And that's that. And for this case, this one, what you have on the upper limit is a function of something. Okay, and this is the chain rule. So what we are doing there is, look at what we have. We have d dx of this integral. The upper limit is g of x, and then the lower limit is just a constant, maybe 2, maybe 3, and so on and so forth. And you have your f of t. So what we are doing is very simple. You will substitute for your what? For your t. Your t is what? G of x. Okay? And at the same time, times derivative of that upper limit is as simple as ABC. So that's that on that. And the final one is this. The derivative of this integral, the upper limit is a function of x. That's what we have, h of x. The lower limit is also a function of x. We have g of x. Very simple. This is a chain rule. You substitute for the upper limit using chain rule, f of t. Anywhere you see t, you put h of x there. And then times derivative of what? H of x. Okay? Then minus the lower limit. You do likewise. You substitute for what? Your f of t. Anywhere you see t, you put what? G of x. Times what? Derivative of what? Of g of x. And that's that on this approach. Okay? The secret is to this theorem is just for you to continuous practice. Okay? Keep practicing. Okay? Keep practicing. I've said it and I'll keep saying it. The more you practice, the better you become. Okay? So let's look at the practical applications. Evaluate the derivatives. Okay? The first one, we have the derivatives of this integral, which is very simple. We'll discuss that. So make a substitution. Okay, that'll be what? Your t is what? Is s cubed. That's 1 over s cubed squared. Okay, and then times the derivatives of what? Of x cubed. Okay, and that will give you 1 over x6 times what? 3x. Okay, so with that, we are going to have 3 over x4. Number 2 is going to be, so this is going to be using your chain rule, that will be sine. Your t is x squared, so that will be x4. Okay, then times derivative of this function, which is what? 2x. So I'm through with the upper limits. Okay, minus, do the same thing also, that will be sine. Substitute, your t is what? Your t is x now. Okay, and then times what? Derivative of what? Of this function, that's times 1. For this one here, this will be the lower limit. Your t is x, that will be x squared. Everything is governed by rules. Okay, you follow the rules, you get the right answer. You break the rules, you get 0. So follow the rules. So the third one, we do the same thing also. We have integral of d dx sine x here. Do your substitution. T is what? T is sine x to power 5. Then times derivatives of sine x minus your lower limit. Do your substitution. There's cos x to power 5 times derivative of that lower limit, d dx of what? Of cos x. So we just have derivative of this one is cos x times this one, then minus this one. Derivative of cosine is minus, so we have a plus now, sine x cos this. So that's where we're going to drop the cutting of derivative of integrals. Okay, if you have your comments, please begin to type the comment now. In any form, just type your comments, and I promise you I'm going to respond to your comments. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and that is the business of the day. Okay, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Not just that, but also send the links of this video to all your platforms. By so doing, you are advancing this channel. Thank you for that. If you need one-on-one or group discussion, just send me an email and we can fix a date. Thank you for that. Keep watching. Typical past exams still continue. Keep watching. Check the playlist for Calculus 1 and begin to watch all the videos. They are very, very important. Importantly, also, you need to practice. The more you practice, the better you become. Thank you.